That's Auntie Bryn's card.
Boo-hoo.
Okay, I'm taking a video.
Little happy boy.
Hey. Taking a video. What's in there? What did you get? Did you get stickers? Oh, wow. Look at all those stickers.
Cute.
Okay, we'll open it. Let's look at the card first. And look, here's some other ones that fell out.
Cool.
Wow, what are those?
You scored, though.
Bears. Let's look at the card. Let's look at the card. For you, niece. Can you say thank you, Auntie Bryn?
Thank you, Auntie Bryn.
Say Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
What about Uncle Crawford?
Yeah.
Do you want to say Happy Valentine's to Uncle Crawford?
Happy Valentine's, Uncle Crawford.
Okay, let's read your card.